Hey guys, Aaron here. What's going on? I'm here with Meisner. A year later, we're here at the spring heli fling, and we have this concoction set up here. Al has his T-Rex 700. We have a radio case and an Align helicopter case. We have a table folded up and a 1/8 scale Russ's buggy. And we're gonna try, well, not weird. Al and right over here, Sam are gonna try.
What's his name? Sam.
Al is gonna fly the helicopter while Sam jumps the helicopter.
See what happens. That's how history's made.
This is your last 700, right?
So far.
The other one's wrecked?
So far.
So make it last. This is either going to go horribly right or horribly wrong. One more time means only one more time. A couple more. Yeah. Got no one up to your right, we're good. Oh, no!
Tumbleweed!
Yeah! Every year, you never fail us. Love it.
Hot, cold, cold.
Where's Bloom at?
There, I see a little black thing sticking up. I lost my blade. Anybody see my blade?
It's still flyable. Let's go. Just get it on the deck. I'll get to go.
All right.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was an amazing play by Al Meisner, ending in a catastrophe, not due to the car, surprisingly. So, amazing play as usual, Al. And yeah, thanks you guys for watching. See you in the next video.
All right. Thanks.